What's up? Welcome to my channel. Kung bago pa kayo sa aking channel, pues pareho tayo bago sa aking pagbablog. Because this is for educational purposes only. For today's video guys, we're going to talk about the nature and physiology of drugs. So before we proceed, what are drugs? Alam kong nasa isip ninyo, pues ano nga ba ang drugs?
Drugs are substances or chemicals used as a medicine or in making medicines, which affect the body and mind and have potential for abuse. Drugs can be harmful without an advice or prescription from a physician. Based on study, hundreds of pure chemicals have been developed from plants and put into pills, capsules, or liquid medicines. There are two forms of drugs. The first one is natural or organic drugs. These are natural substances extracted from plants and animals. Examples of them include marijuana, heroin, opium, cocaine, and hallucinogenic mushrooms. The second one is synthetic or artificial drugs. These are designed to mimic organic botanical compounds, but they often contain highly processed chemicals. These are produced by clandestine laboratories, which include those drugs that are controlled by law, because they are used in medical practice. Common examples of synthetic drugs include most of all prescription drugs, crack, cocaine, ecstasy, and methamphetamine. So we're done the two forms of drugs. So let's proceed the three classification of drugs. The first one is prescriptive drugs. A prescription drug, also prescription medication or prescription medicine, is a pharmaceutical drug that legally requires a medical prescription to be dispensed. These are prescribed according to the individual age, weight, and height, and should not be taken by anyone. The second one is over-the-counter drugs, are medicines sold directly to a consumer without a prescription from a healthcare professionals. They are used to treat minor illnesses like headache, body pain, colds, and a lot more. Always follow the directions and all prescriptions necessarily taken to avoid complications. The third one is self-medication syndrome. It's a human behavior in which an individual uses as a substance or any exogenous influence to self-administer treatment for physical or psychological ailments. The most widely self-medicated substances are over-the-counter drugs used to treat common health issues at home, as well as dietary supplements.
So ayun guys, I hope marami tayong natutunan sa video ito. Ika nga sa kanta, too much love can kill you. But this time guys, too much drug can kill you. Please guys, like and share this video para marami pa tayong ma-inspire ng mga tao. And thank you for watching guys. Ingat kayo lagi.